In this screencast, I'll show you how to format a 2D plot in Excel. So here we have an example that we've been working on, and we can click onto this, and the first thing we can do is, if we right click and then click move chart, we can actually put this into its own sheet. So here we go, we've got this now in its own area, and then we can start to make some changes. So we can delete these lines if we just click on them and press delete. We can format this axis so that, for example, we go from 0 to 7 rather than 0 to 8. It's also good to make sure these values are fixed so that Excel doesn't decide to just change them however it wants. And we can also format this axis. If we format this, we can fix values. We can say where the midpoint's going to be. So maybe we'll go from 290 to 350, and the midpoint, say, could be 30, and that will neaten things up. We can do the same for the pressure. Format axis, fix these, fix this. Instead of having 1000, maybe we should go for 3000. Close this. Again, we've just got a value in the middle. Starts to neaten things up. We can make this a bit smaller, make it nice and neat, maybe into like a bit of a square sort of shape, and just start to get it to look more like a figure that you might find in a paper. We can also format the data points. So we click up here in format and we select over here, and then we can click series. For the temperature, we can format that selection. Marker options, we can go for this built-in one. Perhaps we'll go for these X's just to make it look a little bit smarter. And then we can do the same sort of thing for the pressure data. Format selection, marker options, and we'll go for a built-in one, and maybe we'll go for this cross here. We can of course make these bigger. We can go and have a look at the marker line style, make that a bit thicker and make it look a bit more visible. And we might also want to do that for the temperature data points. But overall, that's a brief introduction into how you can start to improve the format of your Excel plot.